Hi everyone!
Welcome back to MomNMeBeauty. Today we are going to be sharing our winter skincare products with you. And my products are basically what I use all year round. You might have seen these products in a few other videos. So without further ado, let's get started.
We're going to present these in kind of the order of application, if you will. First thing we're going to talk about is Emma's cleanser.
So my cleanser is the A Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. It's just a really great cleanser. It's a serum. It really does clean your face and deep cleanse it. So yeah, great cleanser. My next product is toner. Now that toner is the Neutrogena Acne Stress Control Cleanser. And I just use this after my cleanser. This cleanser is really good to make sure that I have all my makeup off. And it also does a great job at preventing acne before it comes around. Now for me, I tend to get more acne during the winter than I do the summertime, which I don't understand, but it does a great job. So
next up in application would be serums. Now I have some serums that I use on a regular basis that even during the winter that I feel give my skin enough hydration because I have a very oily T-zone. But these two serums that I'm going to talk about I have tried before, and I feel they would be really good for somebody who's got excessively dry skin, especially during the winter. Both of these products I got at Marshall's. The first one is Valjean Labs Hydrate Hyaluronic Acid plus Vitamin B5 Facial Serum. The other one is Provence Beauty Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Toner Serum. Like I said, both of these are extremely hydrating. I don't use them on a regular basis only because I feel like they just make my skin look that much more oily by the end of the day. However, there have been days where, like, if it's really cold out and I have to go shovel the snow or I'm just outside for a while, I probably will use these serums first instead of my other serums, just so that I can have that extra amount of moisture before I hit the dry, cold air outside. So check out your local Marshall's, TJ Maxx. These two hydrating serums are fantastic.
So my moisturizer pick is the Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Armor Regenerative Concentrate Moisturizer. Now this, again, I use all year round, but it does great during the winter because I do get dry cheeks, and it really just moisturizes my face in general, keeps my oils down in my T-zone. So yeah, great moisturizer.
That is my favorite day moisturizer as well. This cream I use at night. This is Gold 24 Karat Regenerating Night Cream, and I'm not sure who it's by. This is an indie brand, again, that I got at Marshall's. The consistency of this stuff is not so liquidy, but it's not oily either. It's very thick, very soothing to the skin. Especially when I just wash my face and use toner either in the morning or at night, I feel like if I don't apply my moisturizer within a minute, it's just going to feel so raw. Like my skin's gonna feel raw. This moisturizer I can apply to my skin and instantaneously it takes that uncomfortable feeling away, and then it lasts all night long. Also, I feel like repairs any cracked or dry or flaky skin that I might have going on overnight. So check out your local Marshalls and TJ Maxx. I know I'm kind of being redundant and I'm a broken record right now, but do check them out. They do have some really great skincare. I have two eye creams that I use, one in the morning and one at night. These are also really great year round because a lot of people get excessively dry under eyes. The rest of their skin could be oily, but their under eyes tend to get cracked or wrinkly and dry. So during the day I use A Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. Really soaks in well, keeps my under eyes moisturized no matter what the conditions are outside. And then the other one is the Oils of Life Intensely Revitalizing Eye Cream Gel from The Body Shop. This is fantastic for nighttime. Not only does it keep my under eyes moisturized, but it's very cool to application or on application. I think it's because it's gel. It keeps the puffiness down so that when I wake up in the morning I don't look like, I went out the night before and I only got 2 hours of sleep. The other good benefit about this cream is that it has significantly decreased the hyperpigmentation spots or the age spots that I have at the corner of my eyes. Completely taken them down. So fantastic eye cream.
My only eye cream, I don't remember the name of it, and I frankly don't know what it is. I got it at Marshall's. The name and what it is completely rubbed off. But I do know that it is a great eye cream now. My under eyes really don't get dry, period, whether it's summer or winter or whatever. But I still use eye cream just to prevent crow's feet, which I still don't have because I'm too young. But it's good to be proactive now. So this is a great eye cream, but I did get the It Cosmetics eye cream for Christmas, and I'm trying to use this up as fast as I can to get to this, because I don't want to open this up until I've gotten rid of this, because I don't want it to dry out. So
the full name and description of that eye cream that Emma was just talking about will be in the description bar below. Next up are lip care products, and yes, that is skin. It gets extremely dry and cracked for a lot of people during this time of year. My pick is kind of an expensive one. It's the Glossier Dotcom Universal Skin Salve. Oh, I love using this stuff at night. I got this in, I think, an Ipsy. I have barely used very much in the tube at all. I kind of like reserve it for nighttime during this season when my lips are just absolutely raw. You put on a very small amount, like a pea-sized amount or smaller, on your bottom and your top lips, let it soak in and work its magic overnight, and the following morning you have like baby butt soft lips. Oh, it's fantastic. But like I said, it's kind of hefty. I have tried the Vaseline lip balm. It's colored, like cherry colored. That's pretty good too, but I still think the Glossier works a little bit better.
my lip balm is the Blistex Deep Renewal Anti-Aging Treatment Lip Balm. Now this is my second tube of chapstick from them. This is great. I use it at night every night. I wake up the next morning, my lips aren't dry, so.
And last but not least is a hand cream. So we've taken care of the face, we've taken care of the lips. Now what's next? Something that happens to me every single year, and it seems to get worse with every single passing year. Because I'm a nurse, I have to wash my hands a lot. That will age your hands and dry your skin out exponentially quicker than if you didn't wash your hands all the time. So I'm also finding that not only are my hands getting drier with every single winter season, but the skin that sits between my pointer finger fingernail and like the middle knuckle, it starts to get cracked and dry, and it will actually bleed. So I found that O'Keeffe's Working Hands hand cream really works miracles. The only thing about this that I don't particularly like is once you apply it, it's got not an oily feeling, but almost a waxy feeling. Very mild. It's not something that's going to interfere with you going about your day or having to do other tasks. It's just, for me, I would prefer not to have that sensation on my hands. But like I said, it works miracles. I've been using it about every other day, usually in the morning and then at night, and I'm not having the cracked, bleeding skin in the area of my fingers. It can be extremely painful, and I'm sure there's got to be a lot of other people who get those cracks and those uncomfortable, like, sore areas on their hands during this season. So check yourself out some of this hand cream. They also make a heel cream if you get dry, cracked heels. And that is it for this video. We hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up down below. That really does help us out. This was a very quick video, but we wanted to bring you our picks for care for your skin during this really dry winter season. If you have some family and friends that you think would get some benefit out of our content here on YouTube, please do share us with them. We would love to continue to see our family here grow. If you are new here, you're a new subscriber, welcome to you. Thank you so much for subscribing to us. If you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and then the little bell that is right next to it so you're notified every time we upload a new video. We are a mom and daughter duo. On Mondays is MomNMe Monday, and on Thursdays is either Teen Take with Emma or Mom Moment with me. And finally, in the comment section below, let us know what are your favorite winter skincare products to use. Maybe there's something out there that you think works heads and tails over anything we've mentioned, we would love to know so that we can try it out too. Please do connect with us on Instagram under MomNMeBeauty, and then with Emma under Emma_N_2004. She also has a Pinterest account with that same username. Thank you again so very much for watching. We really do appreciate it, and we can't wait to see you in our next MomNMe video. Bye everyone.